Welcome to the channel. Imagine transforming your life in just 30 days by adopting the all-out mentality. This approach reshapes your mindset, turning you into a person of action and results. All Out is about giving your all, pushing to the maximum, and not letting yourself stop. In this video, we'll explore how this mentality can change your life in a month if you're ready to commit. We'll break down the process into 3 simple stages, each bringing you closer to your goal. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Clarifying your goal and embracing the all-out mindset. The first step towards transformation is a clear understanding of what you want to achieve. By embracing the all-out mentality, you're promising yourself to go all in for your goal, no matter the circumstances. All Out isn't about working without rest. It's about dedicating every day and every action to reaching your dream. Start by analyzing your goal. Ask yourself, why do I want this? And what will it bring me? The clearer you are on your answers, the stronger your motivation will be. After this, make an important decision. Are you ready to fully commit to this process? Your goal awareness should be the inner fire that won't fade at the first sign of difficulty. Write down your desires and plans. Imagine you've already reached your goal. Feel the joy and satisfaction of this achievement. Visualize yourself at the peak of success. The all-out mindset requires total commitment so that every day you strive for this dream with maximum intensity and determination. Part 2. Planning and discipline. To fully live out the all-out mindset, you need a structured plan. Create a detailed 30-day roadmap. Break down your goal into small, achievable steps. These daily actions will make the journey manageable and give you a sense of control over your progress. Your goal becomes more attainable when you know what to do each day. The key is discipline. This is the foundation of the all-out mentality. Discipline isn't just about working hard, it's about prioritizing, saying no to distractions, and valuing your goal over comfort. Every day, find time for these actions, even if it feels like there's no extra minute. Replace habits that distract you with those that support your success. When you start the day with a clear plan, distractions are less likely to derail you. Remember, the plan isn't rigid, it's a tool to help you. Let it anchor you and keep you on track when you feel tempted to give up. Part 3. Overcoming challenges and staying motivated. On your path to success, you will inevitably face challenges. In moments of doubt and fatigue, remember that these situations reveal the true power of the all-out mindset. Don't give up. Remember why you started. The all-out mentality teaches you to find strength within yourself to overcome obstacles. When things get tough, don't let yourself stop. Rely on the power of small wins. Each step brings you closer to your goal. Make it a habit to reflect on what you've already accomplished and the barriers you've overcome. This will give you the strength to keep going, even when you feel at your limit. If motivation fades, find inspiration in your successes and progress. Seek out allies who support you or follow people who already live with this mindset. Most importantly, remember, All Out isn't just a 30-day mentality. It's a choice that can become your permanent approach to life. That's the path to adopting the all-out mentality in 30 days. Awareness, discipline, and overcoming challenges are the 3 key steps to transformation. Remember, this approach teaches you to give your all in each moment, to go after your goal with complete dedication. It might be challenging at first, but these trials are what make us stronger. The all-out mindset is a choice to live fully, never settle for less, and never stop halfway. Take the first step today, and in a month, you'll see how your life has changed. Believe in yourself and take action.